Hello everyone. SAP BTP plugin enhances workload automation by providing seamless integration with SAP BTP systems. It offers automated low stock alerts, flexible configuration, and detailed job logs. Its use cases are detailed inventory management, supply chain optimization, manufacturing stock monitoring, e-commerce operations. This is the HCL Universal Orchestrator page. Uh, in the home page, we can click on design. Under the assets tab, we can click on plus symbol and select task template. Here we can select our SAP BTP plugin, which is installed, and we can click next. Here is the general information. Here we can give the name and select the workstation. By proceeding to the connection tab, we have destination name and OData entity. Before proceeding to the connection and action tab, we need to set the environmental variables in order to fetch the details correctly to the UI. We need to set destinations, name we have to set and its respective URL and the authentication type. Same as in SAP systems, we need to set low stock integrations and the SAP system configurations associated with the destination name, OData entity, stock field, name field has to be set. Here we can give now the destination name and the OData entity. We can proceed to test the connection. Once the test connection is successful to the SAP BTP system, we can navigate to the action part. Here we can select the SAP systems. Here I will install Northwind through environmental variables. I'll select it, and low stock thresholds I have loaded 4 and I'll select 5 as a threshold. And we can give the OData entity path, stock field name, and the product name field. And we can alert on the low stock, and we can add the job. Under the task template, we can run the job. Once it is success, in the home page we can click on monitor and we shall navigate to the job which we have created. Once it is run and executed, it will come to the successful state. Once we click on task log, we will see the details which we have given and the initialization of SAP BTP inventory synchronization task, the respective URL and the details of the inventory from URL. The results are fetched 77 inventory items across all the pages, detailed results, and alerts for now 9 low stock items is shown, and the descriptive details of all those 9 low stock items. In the output properties, whatever the details we have given and the sync result which is success and the fetched 77 items and sent alert for 9 stock items is shown. This is the detailed job log for SAP BTP. So this is all about SAP BTP plugin demo. Thank you.